Jordan Bikes. Check out this really rare beast, a Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus. I'll just give you a bit of backstory, because in World War II a lot of soldiers jumped out of some planes above Arnhem in Holland, and it was called Operation Market Garden. It was one of Winston Churchill's biggest bugger ups, because the Germans knew that we were coming, and a load of the British soldiers were shot while they were dropping. But they flew these in as well, in the back of military planes. Or these are a replica of them. They flew a Royal Enfield Flying Flea 125. They were made in secret in an underground factory in the UK in Westwood, and they threw them out the back of planes. This yellow marker here denotes the centre of gravity and where to strap it on the plane, so that the aircraft staff knew where to strap it. And a couple of years ago, Enfield brought these out as a replica and to commemorate the Flying Flea 125, and it's the closest replica as you can get. So they've called this the Pegasus. They made it with a 500 engine rather than a 125, because as a 125 it wouldn't have even moved. They did some fabulous photo shoots with some of the original riders of these from World War II, believe it or not. This is a 2018 68 plate, brand new in September. It's done 1,585 miles. Most of these were bought as soon as they were released by collectors, because they only made 1,000 in the world, and only 190 came into this country. So we are lucky to have this one. It has this plate as well, if the cameraman can just have a look. This is included. This will have cost a couple of quid, because it's a Flying Flea replica. It's FF55 PEG, because the bike now is called a Pegasus. So I'm going to start it up for you. Wouldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding, but that's not what they're about. They're just an occasion to ride these fabulous things. I'm not that bothered if it doesn't sell, to be honest, because I might keep it myself. It's such a pretty thing. If you appreciate World War II and everything that went on during World War II, you'll appreciate this bike. It's pristine as you'd expect, and the values have already gone up since they were brand new, so you'll be putting your money in the right place. If you fancy it, give us a ring. Thanks for watching, people. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.